Okay, boys and girls, we're going to go to Ask Scruff. Now, it's Christmas week, so I'm going to bring that up as well in part of it. But it's quite a simple question. So we'll just flick this over. Chill though, so little salute to you. And the question is, was recharting pound JPY, and as the price continues to break out, doesn't seem to be a daily fib. Does this happen from time to time? Yeah. And as price changes, would change in the monthly and weekly to another area be required? Right, okay. First of all, just like any levels, and it doesn't matter if it's an hour, 4 hour, weekly, monthly, daily, 1 minute, wherever you draw on your levels in one thing and another, if there doesn't happen to be an area of interest, don't force one. Now, when it comes to fibs work best when there's a strong directional drive, whether that's a singular candle that is huge, or it's a sustained move in a single direction, up or down. And what you're looking for is a definitive top and a definitive bottom. Now, if there isn't one, for whatever reason, just miss it out, because it doesn't exist. And that's the thing. And it comes down to when you're looking to trade in one thing and another. And it's something I bring up all the time. And it's, if you don't see a trade, don't create one in your head just because you want to do it. Now, when you're doing a markup with fibs, etc., I'll follow this up for you guys in the squad by marking up pound JPY, and I'll show you how I would do it and whether or not you're looking at the right part of the chart. Because sometimes you can pull yourself in too close and then you've got nowhere to go. So we'll have a look at that. Okay. Well, basically, when you draw on any levels, whether it's a fib or a standard support and resistance or a zone of attraction, don't put it on the chart for the sake of putting it on the chart. Now, ideally, you want to go through various baskets. In this case, monthly, weekly, daily, and the daily doesn't seem to have anything. Well, there are other ways you can do it if it doesn't exist. You could use daddy levels for argument's sake, and they would then start showing you your parameters. And that's it. Now, the other part of it is Christmas week. Markets are dead. And I wouldn't necessarily be looking for trades at all this week. Now, I may log on to the DAX a bit later because it will move for a bit of a final flurry. But Monday is a bad day to start with. And it's Christmas week. I'd be really careful about looking to trade this week, because that's falling into the addiction side of trading. You should also know when to take a break. Okay? And if you're going to take a break, this is the week. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.